Fenix has sent me this very nice torch for reviewing. It's called E06R, and we shall now take a look at it a little closer. This one is in this nice plastic, with QR codes and everything you need to know on the outside almost. Yeah. We'll go back to that. Let's see if we manage to open this one. And yes, you can't see it, of course, since I have it down here, but there is a lip which you can slide out. So then you get the whole thing out of the box. And here is the torch. Torch? Yeah, I think I call it torch. Flashlight maybe. And it's come in a plastic cover, so it's not scratched in transport. We need to see what's in the box as well, because there are also some nice things. And in the box, there is a lid you can open on the back side. And here there are some, this is a a kind of lanyard, yes. You can have it on your strap, and it fits inside this little hole, so you can put this one in and hang it. USB-C to USB-A. This one even has this nice, let's see if I can put on some lighter. It has a nice Fenix logo on the USB-C one. The other one is just USB symbol. I like this nice logo. Ring, maybe for this one or this one. And again, as usual on the Fenix light, you have a small brochure or something with some of the lamps. And then, of course, you have the warranty card in English and in Chinese. And yet again, the most important user manual, which then is in like this. English and a lot of languages on both sides there. When we first are talking about the USB, let's test the charging capabilities, if it's a fast charger or not. Where do you charge this one? This is not IP rated. Oh, sorry, laser was on. This is just an open USB. So, yeah, no water tightness on this one, I will guess. Then, let's check it. It says 2.8 watts, which is decent. Not fast charging, but normal charging. I guess this one will be green when it's finished. This one has some very unique features. It has two buttons on the side, one red one, it is for a laser, one bluish one, it's for UV light, and you have one main switch. This one has two functions. If you double tap it, you get this RGB light, and then tap again. Let's see if you can see this, hopefully you can. And then you get the red flashing light, and tap again, you get the blue flashing light, and the last one is blue and red flashing. And then back to RGB. Yeah. Okay, press and hold it, and it shuts off. And if you press it for a longer press, you get the light in the front. This one is a 3-step. 1, 2, 4 steps, sorry, and a turbo, I would say. 700 lumens. Amazing, eh? And back to this one. Hold it for a second and it goes off again. Double tap and you're back on the RGB, which I'm not sure if you can see. Tap and hold, it's gone. The UV light works excellent on paper money. You press it for a second and it turns on, and then you will see it on the money. Hopefully, let's see, there is a 50. I cannot see it in the camera, but yes. And on the back side, you have a hidden bird. It's very hard for me to see it. Hopefully, it works better on the camera that I can see. Yeah, at least UV light, very nice. See if you can see it in the front there. At least the ring on the LED circulator is blue. And the last one is the red dot. This is a laser. And this one is a very good one. Let's see if I can show you that on a wall. If I put the camera over here, let's see if it's possible to see it. This is, let's see, where is it? Ah, here it is. If this is possible to see, but I can see it clearly on these metal tubes. And this is a distance about 7-8 meters. We need to test this one as well in the dark room, so let's pack up the camera and move over there. Okay, in the dark room, first step. This is 5 lumens. Then you have 30 lumens, 150 lumens, and full power, it's 700 lumens. And back to the lowest one. And let's see if the laser is working at the same time. If I find the button here in the dark. Ah, here we can see the laser. Very strong, very nice. Highly visible. That was amazing. And then it's turn off the lights automatically. Let's see if the UV light is working. Oh yeah. You can see something is blue down there. That was nice, eh? You can't of course see the light, but in the camera it looks like this. But over there is something that is reacting to UV light. Amazingly nice. And if I press the light, yeah, UV light goes out and the light is back on. Fantastic! The IP rating, because when I saw this one, I thought this one was, let me put on some light. This one looks like an open USB-C port to me, and I think, okay, no IP rating. But I was wrong. Because when I read this one, I can clearly see down here it's IP66, which is a big fire hose bursting its water right into the USB port. So I guess this must be a very special USB port. IP66 it is. Excellent. And it can withstand drops from 1 meters. Also says in the manual. Note to self, read the manual before you do the video review. Okay, I think that is a wrap up of this very nice flashlight, which is called Fenix E06R. Very nice with all these functions. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.